In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable the developer tools icon on Google Chrome on PC in just a few simple steps. This is a handy fix if you want a cleaner Chrome toolbar and you don't want that developer tools icon showing up while you browse. Whether you're using Chrome for work, school, or everyday use, this quick change can help make your browser look less cluttered. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu with all of your browser options. From there, click on Settings. That will take you into the Chrome settings page where you can control how your browser looks and behaves. On the left side of the settings screen, click on Appearance. This section is where Chrome keeps options for the toolbar, theme, and visual layout. Now click on Customize your toolbar. This is where you'll find different toolbar shortcuts and icon settings that can be turned on or off. Once the toolbar customization page opens, scroll down completely until you reach the developer tools option. You may need to go all the way to the bottom depending on your Chrome version and screen size. When you find developer tools, simply disable it by turning it off. As soon as you do that, the developer tools icon should be removed from your Chrome toolbar. That's it. The change should take effect right away and your browser should now look a little cleaner and more streamlined. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tips, Windows fixes, and helpful software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.